Hey everybody, welcome back to H&H TV. We're over here in front of the trailer today. I want to talk to you about the various different car mirrors that we keep in stock and offer here at H&H. And a lot of times, especially back in the 50s, in very early 60s, most of the cars did not even come out with a mirror on the car from the factory. A lot of times you went in the dealership, you bought the car, they had a wall of mirrors, or you went down to Western Auto or a Tasco or some store like that and picked out a mirror. And that's why, especially back in the 50s, you'll see some of these big, huge, god-awful mirrors that just got halos around them, and they're just, weigh about 37 pounds apiece, bolted onto the front fender. Well, if it was a factory-installed mirror, GM always put them on the door. They were never on the fender. So if you've got a fender mount mirror, that's a mirror that's been added after the life of the car, whenever it was bought new by whoever, your dad, grandpa, whatever, wherever the car came from. But I wanted to talk a little bit about the different mirrors. So this is part number 219. This is a factory Tri-5 mirror. As you can see, the bracket is already installed. This one, you got a screw down on the door, goes down, slides, and another screw goes down through the mirror, and that's what holds it in place. Which, if the car didn't have mirrors on it, comes with a template, comes with a gasket, screws, all that kind of stuff. We also offer this one in a U.S. made one. We also offer it in a convex, and we also offer it with an LED flasher on it that you can hook into your turn signals and, update your car if you want to, like a late model. This next one is 1958. That's the only year that mirror was used. This one, again, same thing. Bracket's already installed on it. Comes with comes with the gasket, comes with screws. Very easy, mirror to install. This one is 59 and 60. And 59 was the first year that they put the bow tie on the back of the mirror. So Pontiac used a very similar one. Obviously didn't have a bow tie on it. But in 59, they went to an external bracket. The bracket was screwed down, and then the mirror goes down on top of that. The screw goes through it. Come gasket, screws, instructions in there as well. 61, 62, again, we've got the bow tie still on the back side of that. But they went back to putting the bracket on the mirror. So, again, somebody's thinking, again, gasket screws come with that, but that's 61 and 62. Then 63 and 64, they went back to putting a bracket on the door again. Again, they still got the bow tie on it. Then all of these fit left or right. Same mirror, both sides. Doesn't matter. 65, they decided to make it complicated. Again, they're still using the bracket with screws and gasket, but they made them left and right. This particular one is a left-hand driver's side, like that, but they did it so it sloped out a little more and tried to get you a little bit more vision. These mirrors here, I'll be honest, the passenger side one, it's tough to see out of, especially if you're a big, tall guy like me. So tough to see out anyway in one of these cars. The one mirror I don't have here is our part number 11341. That's what came out in 1968 on the big car. That one, they also used it on 67 Camaro, used on a lot of stuff. And these mirrors aren't just Impalas only. Some of them do fit other things. Then, starting in 69, the 68 backed it for just a second. They used that same kind of base with the bracket and everything, but it was a round-headed mirror and had the bow tie. 69, they went to a square one that was offset. Again, they're trying to get you a little more field of vision. These are left and right. That 68 one we don't have here, it fit either side as well. Now, the cool thing about this, though, is you come all the way back up here. The 58, it was used on the full-size car as far as we know. That's it. Same thing on the Tri-5 one. 59 and 60, they actually used this on 60 Corvair also. And then the 61 and 2, they used on 62 Nova and on 61 and 62 Corvair. Then the 63, it fits a whole bunch of stuff. Now, I'm reading off here. I mean, it's the 63, 64 full size, 64, 65 Chevelle, Malibu, and El Camino, 63 to 65 Nova, Chevy 2, 63, 65 Corvair, and the early 63 Corvette. So fits a lot of stuff. This one, Impala, Bel Air, Biscayne only, big passenger car only. The 68 one that we don't have, man, it fits 66 to 72 Nova. It's got Chevelle, 66 to 68. Man, 68 big car, lot of stuff. This one, they did the full size 69 and 70, 69 to 72 Chevelle Malibu and El Camino, also 68, 69 Camaro, and 70 to 72 Monte Carlo. And there were some trucks you could order this one on also, 67 to 72. I'll be honest, I've never seen it. I'm just seeing what GM's documentation shows. The one thing you want to know about this one specifically, and my Monte Carlo's this way, this bracket, they had two versions of it. They had a long and they had a short. Same mirror, but it used a different bracket. The one they reproduced is the short. I had to replace the mirror on my Monte Carlo, pulled it off. Guess what? It's got the long one. So if you do, you're drilling at least one more hole. So just a warning about that. And nobody makes that long bracket, so you just have to deal with the short one, and it's part of it. The mirror base will cover the extra hole up. It's just something you need to be aware of. But that is just the various different mirrors we do for cars. Of course, we do a ton of different ones for trucks as well. But other than the one that we're missing here that we talked about because we're out of stock on it, all these are available on the website right now. Check it out. And we've got a new one. I'll give you a quick hint. We got a new one. The one that's missing, they're getting ready to release an LED version of it as well with a turn signal built into it. So come get them today at H&H. Carry them on the trailer. If you're going to be at one of the shows, come up. You'll see a display of these mirrors. Come up and ask us to talk to us about it.